Saving money on heat pump prices because of their considered usefulness in the everyday setting. Many heat pumps can be bought at quite a range of prices. Knowing this, it is important for you to know what factors affect available prices and how these factors can help you save money on your new investment. The first and most obvious factor is the length of usage of the product. Brand new pumps are certainly more expensive than second-hand ones. But it is not recommended for you to go and buy a second-hand unit instead. While you can get it cheap, you can never be sure of the quality and condition of your purchase. Another disadvantage would be that these pumps don't come with a warranty, which could have saved you a lot of money if the product you purchased would need repairs. Another factor would be the brand of the unit. Prices vary among many available brands in the market, like Trane or Carrier, but more often than not, buyers prefer brands that they have already tried and tested. Therefore, buy only from the brands that you trust, as they already have the seal of quality and reliability that you may not find in other brands. Aside from the brand, each manufacturer offers a variety of pump units depending on use and efficiency ratings, also at different prices. Choose which pump will bring you the most benefit at the lowest possible cost. As with other products, they can also be subject to discounts from retailers. Product promotions and discounts often happen whenever newer models become available and the older ones have to be sold off. This can help you save money because despite being old models, they are still brand new and come with warranties. Another thing to note is that older heat pumps usually still deliver results as efficiently as newer versions can. Finally, whenever buying a heat pump, it is advisable to consult with the dealers and professionals who can help you. Their knowledge and experience with heat pump manufacture and use can be of great help in choosing which product will work best for you while helping you save more money on purchase. Bottom line is, what is important in buying your new pump is not only the heat pump prices, but also if it can help your budget in the long run. Article source: https://easyinarticles.com/expert/Jordan_Laron/4699730